Today is the Spring Kitchen Vignette collaboration, and it's being hosted by me, Leona Dooley from Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. And I welcome each of you. I have put together a playlist so that those of you who are participating in this collaboration can type in the hashtag Spring Kitchen Vignette Collab 2022. Then you're able to connect your particular video to the playlist so that everyone will have a chance to see it. Now let's chat while we put this vignette together. First of all, there are only 3 requirements, and that was that first, it needed to be in a tray. Second, there needed to be florals for the season. And third, it needs words of encouragement. And certainly, I'm going to try to do all of that. So I'm starting with a tray. And you notice that actually this year, I'm putting my vignette in a different location because I want it to be sunny, and it's right here in my bay window. So we're going to put it right here. You'll also notice that instead of using those little twinkly lights, I'm actually going to add 2 lamps. And these lamps came from Target, and they're fairly lightweight, but yet and still very substantial for this particular spot. So I'm just going to give it a good cleaning, and then we're going to get started. I've placed a basket in the center of the tray, and I'm just going to add greenery to fill out that basket. I've placed a piece of foam in it, and from there I'm going to add some little sprigs of green with color. I don't really know what they're called. I do, but I can't think of what it is. But anyway, I'm going to add those to the basket, and we're just going to fill out this basket, and when we're finished, it's going to look like a breath of spring. Now you'll see sitting off to the left that I have my 2 little bunnies, because I like those little brown bunnies, and they are going to be a part of this year's vignette as well, but they're going to do something just a little bit different from what they did last year. So I'm continuing to add in more and more color as we go. So just stay right there. I'm going to add a little music. I am so glad that you came to the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. Because you know, here our family loves to cook, to decorate, and to chit chat all the time. And it's here in our kitchen where we are building a stronger family, and we are doing it one meal at a time. Our kitchen is the place where we are to love and to nurture and to encourage and guide our family and friends over delicious meals or just across the counter. So, don't waste time. Hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you for coming to the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, where we do things in the kitchen for the kitchen. And thank you for taking a look at the spring kitchen vignette. Now, if as soon as you finish, hop right on to the next person in the playlist. And please be sure to give all of us a thumbs up and leave a comment so that we will know what you thought about what we did. So, stay positive and stay blessed. And I'll see you soon right here in the kitchen.